For number 29, we notice it's a division problem, so it turns into kind of like a factor cancel, except we realize that first, for any division problem, we have to take the reciprocal of the second one. So I'm going to take the reciprocal of this. So remember, when we do this, don't touch the negative exponents yet. Those still stay negative until we actually move those. So what I'm going to end up with is the left side stays the same. And the left side, I'm going to take the reciprocal and get 36y to the negative 3. So this denominator moves to the numerator. And on the other one, I have 24x to the negative 8. Then now we can take care of our negative exponents. So I see that I have x to the negative 8 on the bottom, so we're going to move that to the top. And this y to the negative third is going to flip to the bottom. So doing that next, we're going to end up with 8x squared still over 27y to the fifth times the number stays, so 36 and the 24 stay. But on top I'll have the x, on the bottom I'll have the y. And now we can just simplify everything. So starting off with the x's, I notice I have an x squared times x to the 8th on top. So that's x to the 10th. And then also on the bottom, I see y to the 5th times y to the 3rd is going to be adding those exponents, y to the 8th. And we can do the number separately. Now, just by looking at the multiple choices, we already know the answer is going to be C, because that's the only one that has x to the 10th in the numerator, y to the 8th on the denominator. But how do we get the 4 over 9? Well, let's just look at the numbers. So if I have an 8, I can rewrite 8 as 4 and 2. I can write 36 as 9 and 4. Can write 27 as 9 and 3, and I can write 24 as let's see, 6 and 4 maybe, and let's see what we cancel out so far. So I can cancel out the 4, anything on top and bottom, and the 9s. And if I try to do it here and we don't notice that other things will cancel, which some things will, I might see that, oh, it's 8 over 18. But then we still see that that number can reduce more because they still both divide by 2. So this divided by 2 is 4, and this divided by 2 is 9. And then that's how we get our final answer.